Hello staff and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Odysseyware. Let's get started. Everyone log into their personal Odysseyware teacher page. Follow the directions on the slide displayed. The password shown is a temporary one. You will be prompted to change it after you successfully log in for the first time. Be sure to write down your username and password for future reference. As everyone finishes the process of logging in, take a look at what the Odysseyware home screen looks like. If you notice at the top left-hand corner, the title of the software program, Odysseyware, is written in big red letters. You may click on this at any time from anywhere in the website, and it will bring you back to your home screen. Just below is the blue menu. Here there are several tabs that will lead you to important information that you need within inside the Odysseyware program. We will go over these in just a little while. Just below is your name and a welcome message from the administrator of the Odysseyware program at your school. I suggest when you log in, go ahead and exit out of this welcome message as it'll clear up some space for you to view the other information on your home screen. The first thing I want to go over on your home screen are the three windows you see. The first window, located at the top left, is your message center. This window lets you know any important information Odysseyware may want you to know, as well as any messages sent to you from a student. All you have to do is click on the subject title and it'll take you to the message. The window to the right of this is the Actions menu. This window is the one that you will find is the one that you will use the most. In this window will be a list of your students' work that needs to be graded and any immediate actions needed for students' continued progress in Odysseyware. From here, all you have to do is click on the action required, and the program will direct you straight to the task that needs graded or the action that needs to be completed. Most questions are graded by the program itself, but all short answer questions and essays will be graded by the teacher. We will discuss what the gradebook looks like here in a little bit and what it looks like to actually grade students' work. The third window on your home screen towards the bottom is the assignments alert. To be honest, for the sake of not overwhelming everyone with too much information at once, we are not going to go into detail about this window. The information displayed is not vital information, so we will save this for another training session. We are only going to concentrate on three of the menu tabs on the blue menu bar. If you notice, I have several more menu selections than you do. That's because you are working from a teacher account and I am working from an administrative account. Even though I have more, there's only three of the ones that we both have that we are going to discuss today. Those three menu tabs are Courses, Course Enrollment, and Gradebook. These three tabs will allow you to control the whole student learning process from the enrollment of a student to the viewing of their final grade. Some of the other tabs are useful but can be saved for a later, more in-depth training session. The first menu tab we are going to look at is the Courses tab. Go ahead and click there now. You can search all courses Odysseyware offers either by subject or by course title. So take your cursor over to subject, click on the smart search bar, and just start typing in the title of a subject that you teach. Let's say you are a math teacher. You can start typing in the word math, and then all the math classes will pop up. If you want to search by course title, you can come to the course title search box and do the same thing. For the purpose of use here at Lafayette High School, all courses we will offer have been edited with LHS in front of the course title. To view these, just type LHS in the course name search box and a list of these courses will appear. Put your cursor and select on the smart search box. Start typing in LHS. If you'll notice, it'll find all the courses that start with LHS or that has LHS in it. To go ahead and continue to refine this search, continue to type in the name of a course that you teach. Let's say you're an economics teacher. you can search LHS Econ, and then the course will pop up, LHS Economics Online. If you want to view this course to see what content it contains, go over here to the right under the Actions tab and click on the eyeball. This will bring up a pop-up menu that will show you the information inside. Here is the course name, LHS Economics Online, and below are the unit titles. If you click on a unit title, it will actually expand and show you all the assignments that are in that unit. For further in-depth look at the content, you can click on the actual assignment, and it will open up the assignment into a separate tab at the top of your search engine. From here, you can view the content in the course. This is exactly how the students see it, as well as the questions that the program will ask the students based on the information that they just read. There are several types of questions asked by Odysseyware programs, including fill in the blank, matching, essays, short answer, true, false, and several different other wide variety of questions. Once you've gotten done viewing the information in that assignment, you can click off of that tab, click out of your pop-up menu, and you are now back into the courses menu. There's a lot of other information on this page, but for the purposes of us looking at the courses that you might teach and the information that's in there, this is kind of all you need from this page. Once you have searched the course content and decided on what course you want to enroll your students, the next menu tab that we're going to discuss is the course enrollment. Click on that now. Once in the course enrollment tab, go to the student search bar at the top in the middle of the page and start typing in the last name of the student you are wanting to enroll in a course. I am going to type in my own last name, as I have created myself a student account. And you'll notice that it refines by last name, and then you can just select on the student that you wish to enroll in your course. Once you have selected the student's name, hit search, and your student's information will appear. Once this happens, look next to the student's name and you can see the student's username. Here's the student's name, and right next to it, the username is very simple. It's my first and last name. This will not always be the case for every student. If the student already does not know this, you can provide them with their username. All students' passwords are OW student. To enroll a student, click on the Add Enrollment button and a pop-up menu will show up. The Add Enrollment button is over here to the right under the Go To menu. Click on the Add Enrollment button, and here's the pop-up menu. From here, just start typing in the course name you want to add the student in by clicking on the Add Courses search bar, and then typing in the name of the course you wish to add the student in. Here we're going to add our student into the LHS Economics. Once the course name pops up, click on the course, go down, select the term. We are currently in the fall 2015 term. Then hit Create Enrollment. You have successfully submitted an enrollment. Now click OK. To refresh this page, hit the search bar one more time, and you will notice that LHS Economics Online is now a course that I am enrolled in. This student can now begin their coursework. Now the final menu at the top on the blue menu tab that we're going to look at is the Gradebook tab. Let's click on that. Once in the Gradebook tab, go to the student search bar just like we did in student enrollment and start typing the last name of the student that you are wanting to look at and manage their grades and coursework. I'm going to once again type in my name, select my name, and hit search. The student's gradebook and course information will pop up. From here you can see the student's current grade for the course and the percentage complete for the course they are taking. In the case of this student, me, my LHS economics class, I have progress of 0 because I just was enrolled and have yet to complete any assignments with a grade of 0. Once students start making progress, both of these numbers will change. The more coursework I get done, the higher the progress percent will go, and whatever course score that I've earned on those assignments will show up here under the score, or the grade. Click on the plus symbol next to the course name you want to manage, and the unit information for that student's course will appear. So I will click on the plus symbol next to LHS Economics, and here's the information for each unit, the unit title, the progress made in that unit, and the overall grade in that unit. From here, click on the plus symbol next to the unit, and all of the assignments inside that unit will appear. From here, it'll have the assignment title, the attempts that that student has tried, and the score or the grade the student has made on that lesson. For further details on that assignment, click on the actual assignment name, and the assignment will appear. From here, you actually see the student's gradebook. This student has not done any work, so nothing is going to show up. Here's an example of a student's work in the LHS Economics online course. This student has actually taken this quiz, and this is the information that you see when you actually click on the student's assignment and look at the graded work. Questions marked green, like question number 1, is 100% correct. You can review the question by clicking on each question. Questions that are yellow are partially correct. If you click on that question, you will see that there was a possible 4 points, and this student received 3 points. And questions that are red are completely wrong. Underneath the question number, you can actually view the correct answer. You can reassign the question to the student if you want them to redo it. Or you can actually grade the student's work by coming over here and selecting in the box and changing the grade number. Once you have done that, click on the update and it will change the student's grade. Any questions in red are completely wrong or need to be graded by the teacher. Once you have finished grading the student's work, you can get out of the student's information by clicking on the Odysseyware tab. And it will take you back to your home screen. This is a basic overview of how Odysseyware works. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.